Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is Code Wave, and I've been away for a while, but we're back now. Okay, so I'm very excited to start something new with you on this channel. So as developers, we always want to solve problems, and if you are not able to solve your own problem, then that is also a big problem. Okay, so when I was away, I was building some projects for some clients, and one of the issues I faced was the fact that creating invoices was such a pain, right? So as developers, you are a developer and not an accountant. So you don't have to worry yourself or kill yourself over the admin work. Okay, so hence I decided to do my own, propose my own solution, right? Then I also want to share the solution. So as a developer, you're not supposed to worry yourself about the accounting stuff. So due to that, I decided to build my own invoicing and a CRM system. Very simple. And I want to, this point, include you and also let you bring your contributions. So yeah, and this is what we are going to do. So this is the series we're going to start, build in public, and this is what we are going to do. So you know that most of the CRM tools or invoicing tools are not built for solo builders like you and I, or solo founders like us. And most of them are built for a team of 10 people, 20 or more. And you, as an individual, also want to use the same thing. So it's a big challenge. So I face the same challenge trying to create an invoice and share. And some of them were too complex, so that you have to spend time to understand. And most of the features that you even pay, you might not use them, but you might have paid for them. As well as you have to click around before you just generate one simple invoice. So you end up wasting more time on just managing some stuff, some bloated invoices, and you waste precious time where you could have just gone to focus on coding. Okay, so I decided to do that. Every minute that you waste on this CRM, it's a minute you wasting. You're not coding, but you're spending time on this CRM, and you could have, if there were a way to do this invoicing or CRM in a simple way, that you can get a lot of time to focus on the coding. Therefore, I proposed Wyllflow. So Wyllflow is a CRM and invoicing tool, very simple, built for designers and developers or freelancers. It's a micro-SaaS that I came up with that was actually solving my own problem. And I want to share it with you. I want to believe some of us may also have the same problem. So if you have the same problem, then you are welcome on board. We develop it together and we use it. Okay, so it's a micro CRM, just some simple click. And the goal is to create an invoice in less than 60 seconds, right? And it's also developer friendly. And, developers do like dark mode. So dark mode first. Okay. And this is what we are going to do. So I am starting this series of building public where I want to build with you. So I might not be able to do the entire coding live for you to see. However, I'll be sharing with you the things that I have achieved and those I plan to do, or the challenges I even faced. I want to share all of them with you. So your contributions are also welcome, so that the futures you kind of wish for in a simple CRM too, so that we will not waste much time on these bloated CRMs. We can build it together, and it is efficiency over everything. Now, the goal is to make it very simple to create invoice and be able to manage your clients, or simple leads and simple pipelines, no complex stuff. So whatever suggestion you want to bring, be in mind, have it in mind that it shouldn't be that complex, so that the problem we are trying to solve, we don't repeat the same problem, but rather propose a very good solution. Okay, so what I want you to do now is that I have created a landing page, right? A waitlist page. So all you have to do is to just secure your spot on the waitlist page, and this is the waitlist page. Okay, so you can just come here and just put in your email, right? So I've listed some couple of challenges here that if you waste more time, like I've just told you, on complex invoicing, then Wyllflow is for you, right? If you also have to generate simple invoice, when generating simple invoice, you just have to log in into a lot of systems, right? You know, as a developer, you now your own admin, and you don't have to be the accountant, right? So if you hate the admin work, but you want a simple way to manage stuff, then Wyllflow is for you. So these are the features that we have, right? So just one click to generate invoice, and it's a micro CRM for freelancers, developers, or and stuff. And also there should be a way to have some branded templates, right, that you can put in your logo, colors of choice for the invoicing, right? And it should be secure. You don't have to install anything. This is not a mobile app, it's a web app, right? Okay, so all you have to do is to just come here and secure your spot, where when we launch it, right? So we're going to try to do it within 7 days. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it daily, right? But within 7 days, so day 1, day 2, even if we skip some days, but day 1, day 2, we should be up to the 7th day, we should be able to publish it, and it will be live, right? So you just have to secure your spot, and you will get, if you join the waitlist, the early access, you get the early access, you get a 50% discount. I don't know how much we're going to charge. Your comments are welcome, right? Looking at the features. So yeah, if you join the waitlist, you'll be able to get the updates before this video even go. Videos do come live on YouTube here. I'll need your comments. So bring your comments if you're excited about this thing. Your inputs are welcome. So in the meantime, just go to wyllflow.com, and just join the waitlist, and let's build this together. Thank you.